Hey everyone, welcome back to our vegan kitchen.
Is the party over or is it just beginning?
It's that time of year again.
It's Veganuary. Let's start off with an introduction. Maybe you don't know who we are. I'm sure there's a lot of people who do, but there's probably some people who don't. So she's
sure.
Maddie. I'm Janet. We're Vegan as Fork here on YouTube. We've also written a whole food plant-based air fryer cookbook. There's a link in the info box below if you're interested. But we've just met, so let's talk about Veganuary.
Okay.
We do it every year. We're gonna give you plant-based recipes, plant-based lifestyle. We're not expecting you to be perfect. Anything that you do is better than nothing at all.
Yeah, I mean, this is
And
great.
we appreciate it.
If you're new to veganism, you're trying it out for the first time, or if you've been doing this for a long time and you just want more recipe inspiration.
If you just want to creep on us,
camaraderie.
that's fine too. Because we like to do taste tests, and we're going to probably do some live cooking demos.
Oh boy.
I know. We're going to get my son to do some.
He's going to
as
be in
well.
the kitchen, yeah.
He's gonna, Sean in the kitchen. We're
Maybe
just
my boyfriend will make an appearance.
Oh, we're just so grateful for you to join us for Veganuary.
Yes.
Whatever you can take away from it, we are welcome. We are so thankful to give to you. So we hope you stick around. It's going to be one video a day.
Yes.
For the
Every day in
entirety
January.
of January. And January is also both of our birthdays.
So that should be fun.
Yes. So thank you. Thank you. You're making a great decision to
We're
try out
excited to get started.
some sort of veganism, some sort of no meat Monday, or whatever it is. So thanks again in advance. And until tomorrow, much love.